Hi, sweetie. I'm sorry. You go say hi. Go say hi to everybody. I know you want to make some friends. Look, Reuben's already into you. Hi, sweetie. Oh, look at this. Cookie. She's giving you Cookie. She's giving you kisses. She's giving you kisses. How could you, Cooks? Look at how cute she is. Just kissing everybody, Cooks. You're all right. Oh, my cookie girl. Hey, 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 hey. Calm down. You're all right, sweetie. Oh. My goodness, look at Zara got Reuben to play. And Bristow. Hi, Emmy. Hello. Reuben, leave her be. Miss Drika. Miss Drika. My goodness, right after it. Yeah. Yeah. Miss Jaina. Hi, sweetie pie. Hi, my sweetie pie. My goodness, look, Bristow's gone too now. Zara. Such a good girl, Zara. Oh, they're just puppies. You remember when you were a puppy. Hi, sweetie pie. You're so cute with your long little eyelashes. You're so cute. Yes, you are. Oh, you're cute too, Drika. I'll never forget. And you too, Miss Cookie. Hi, sweetie. Yes, you're cute too, Miss Kaya. Look at little Munchie. Ollie, what are you doing, dude? You being Munchie's protector? Yeah? Nobody's gonna mess with her as long as you're around? You're such a good brother. You're such a good brother, Ollie. Oh my goodness. What'd you get started, Zara? What'd you get started? Even Drika wants to play. Drika. Hi, sweetie pie. Oh, hello, sweetie. I know. Hi, sweetie. I know. Good. You're so sweet. Toro. Hi, Toro. Oh my goodness, Toro. Theo, I thought you were Toro. Theo, I thought you were Toro, dude. She looks almost just like you. Look at that. Toro. Hi, Toro. Hi, sweet girl. Hi, sweetie pie. I have to like slyly pet you, Kaya. Yeah. There she is. There's Miss Kaya. Oh my goodness, Miss Lady. Look at. Oh, that's what you wanted? That's what you wanted?